All right, one last delivery to end the day strong.
Think you can beat me to the finish line, Juno?
Tara, this is serious. Stop messing around.
Looks like I'm in the middle of some froggy drama.
Blue Frog, help me out here.
The rooftop transforms into a thrilling obstacle course.
Catch me if you can, Juno.
Tara, watch out for the beams.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's finish this together.
Okay, that was impressive. Delivery complete.
Guess the real delivery was the fun we had along the way.
See you next time, everyone.